Do you want to win this? We have found an absolutely stunning Yamaha R5-B. It is in exceptional condition. If you want to win it, head to apex66.co.uk or click the link in the description. We'll go through the bike in a second, but first, most importantly, let's start that thing up and have a listen. It's a shame you guys can't smell the two-stroke. It smells exceptional and it sounds even better. The condition of this thing is exceptional. The engine has been fully restored, and most importantly, the engine and the frame number are the exact same, so it is the original engine. It's the 71 352 stroke. It's MOT and tax exempt, but the dealer we bought it off has MOT'd it from a safety perspective. It's got a nice new set of tyres on it as well, and this one comes with 3 months warranty, so it is ready to ride on a nice Sunday blast in the sun like it is today. Go and get your tickets. Best of luck. Hopefully we'll be calling your name out as the winner of that exceptional motorcycle.